Good morning, children. Welcome back. How are you all? You're all happy today? Active? Yes, we are all discussing about food. You are all active or not? Shall we check if you are active or not? Okay. Now, everybody stand, sit, stand, sit, sit. Very good. Everybody settle down in your places, right? You're all quiet. Very good. You're all quiet and you're also active and ready to listen to the teacher. Isn't it, children? You're all ready to listen to your teacher? Yes, very good. Your teacher was talking about food, right, yesterday? And teacher was also telling you about different sources of food. What is source? Source is where do we get our food from? That's it. We have only two sources of food. One is the plants, the other is the animals. Okay, now suppose if you are very hungry, okay, you came to class, you had breakfast and came to class and teacher is taking class till afternoon, your lunchtime, and you are hungry. What happened? Okay, the class is finished and you went back to your mama and your mother gave you a plate full of vegetables to eat. Will you eat? No. Why? We can't eat only vegetables, right? Okay. Now see, Arnav, if you go to your mama and if she gives you a plate full of rice and chapati without any curries, will you eat? No, you can't eat them, right? You want something also to eat along with them, right? Okay, see children, now our mother is giving us a plate full of meal every day with different things in it, right? Different food items in it. But we'll say, Mama, take away this, I don't like vegetables. Take away this, I don't like rice. Yes? No, we should not say like that. Why do you know that, children? Because our body needs all the kind of nutrients to get energy. Okay, children. So today we will all learn about different food groups. Okay, different food groups and how we can make it into a balanced diet. Shall we learn, children? Yes, different food groups, balanced diet. So teacher is going to tell something new to you, something important to you. Be active and listen to the teacher. Okay, children, shall we start? Yes. Now, see this, children. I told there are different kinds of foods, right? There are fruits, there are vegetables, there is eggs, milk, everything is there around us. So, all the foods we eat are divided into three groups. Okay? Yes, children. See, they are divided into three groups. The food has three purpose, right? Why do we need food? Food we need to get energy, to stay healthy, and one more thing, to grow. Yes, for these three reasons we are eating food. So the foods that give us energy are grouped into energy giving foods. The foods that give us energy are grouped into energy giving foods. And the foods that help us grow, that help us build our muscles and bones, those foods are grouped into bodybuilding foods. Those foods are grouped into bodybuilding foods. Next, the foods that help us be healthy, strong, active. Yes, such foods are grouped into protective foods. Why we call them as protective foods? Because they protect us from diseases. Okay, children, so all the food we eat is divided into three groups. Okay, energy giving, body building, protective. When our mother gives a food in a meal plate like this to us, she will see that they are energy for energy giving foods, B for body building foods, P for protective foods. So, whenever your mother gives you a meal plate full of those things, don't say no to your mama. Okay, children? Now, we will go to our pictures and understand more about these different food groups. and what is balanced diet. Shall we go? Yes, children? Very good. Get set, go. Yes, children, we have come back to our pictures. So, we will continue here about different food groups. And see this? Now, there was one boy, very naughty boy. He was not at all eating food. So, one day what his mother said to him, we must eat all kinds of food. Then he asked his mother, why mama, why should we eat all kinds of foods? Then his mother said, see, I am putting like this. We get protein from eggs and milks. We get fats from butter. We get water, we get minerals from water. We get carbohydrates from bread. We get fibers from corn. We get minerals from these fruits. We get vitamins from the vegetables. His mother put all these things on a table on that day. And she started explaining him why we should eat all kinds of foods. Come, we'll also go with him and learn. Yes, and his mother told him that she will give him a good mixed meal today. Means we have seen our plate on the board, right children? Meal plate. It should have lots of fruits and vegetables. Means lots of protective foods. All the fruits and vegetables are grouped into protective foods. Not only fruits and vegetables, we have nuts also. Yes, cashew nuts, almonds, all these are also protective foods. Now the energy giving foods, our rice, bread, chapati, whatever we eat that is made out of grains. All those foods are energy giving foods. And can you see this? Milk, eggs, all the foods here gives us protein to our body, and the protein helps us in growing well. Okay children, a meal should have food from every group. That is why teacher told you to not say no to your mother. Shall we go? Yes, this was the boy we were talking about. His name is Raju. You know, Raju's mother told him, all the children are doing so many works. You are not at all helping mama at home. Then what did he say? Mama, you sweep the floor and I will mop it. See, he is taking a mopping stick and trying to mop the floor. No, he was not able to do. Then his mama brought some food and kept on the table. Yes, then he understood. Oh my goodness, I should eat something to get energy to do all those works. Then whatever his mother gave, he started eating. Okay, he ate all the foods. What are the foods called? Energy giving foods. He ate nicely and yes, he thought, I have got lot of energy now. I will go and lift the dumbbells. He tried to lift the dumbbells but he fell down. He couldn't lift. Then he thought, okay, if I drink a milk which is kept over there on the table, I will become a superman. Mother told we can build our body with milk, right? Yes, I will go and drink milk. And he had milk and he became like a superman. Okay, he felt like he has become a bodybuilder. Yes, because milk helps in growth and repair of the body. After drinking milk, he felt like he has become a bodybuilder. Okay, children? So, the milk is a bodybuilding food. He had the bodybuilding food and went out. See how he went out? He was enjoying nicely music in his ears with the earphones. Suddenly, these three things came in front of him. He got scared and ran back into the home and started thinking, oh, the diseases are after me. What should I do? I'm scared. Then he remembered his mother said, vitamins and minerals protect our body from various diseases. Yes, then again he went back to the table and saw these things, picked up the fruits from there, had the fruits and came out like a superman. When he came back outside like a superman, he didn't find any disease causing germs there because they ran away because the food is protecting him. Okay, so these foods which protect us from diseases are called protective foods. Shall we move on, children? Yes. See, now in our story, Raju was taking milk, butter, bread, fruits, all those things. Then only he was like a superman. Yes. Otherwise, he would have been weak and he would not have done any works, he would not have played anything, right, children? So, when he had all these foods, he became like a superman. And you also, when you eat what all foods your mother gives, you will become a super boy and super girl. And children, such food, such a diet which contains all the nutrients in the right amounts is called a balanced diet. Can you see this right amount? That means eating only fruits? No, it's not good. Having only milk? No, it's not enough. Having only bread? No, it's not enough. We should have all these foods in the right amount. Okay, children? Then only we call it as a balanced diet. Balanced diet means balanced. Do you see this? Yes, this is a new word to you, right? Balance. What is balancing? You all know how to play on seesaw, right? Yes. When one is sitting on the seesaw, it will go down and the other goes up. Like that, it will be moving, right? That means the weight is not balanced over there. If the weight is balanced, see how it will be? Equal, both sides. That is called balancing. So we should balance our meal also with all the proper amounts of foods. Okay, that is called balancing. And diet is the kind of food that a person eats. If you are eating only junk, yes, that is also your diet because you are eating that. Diet is nothing but a food the person eats. Understood, children? Why should we have this balanced diet? Because it helps in proper growth. Okay, and it helps in maintaining our body. You should all grow up like a superman, right? Yes, children? So for that you need to have balanced diet. Now you understood different types of food groups. We have 3 food groups and we also learned about balanced diet. Now we will go back to our board and teacher will ask you few questions about food groups and we will go our fun time also. Okay, children, shall we go? Yes, get, set, go. Yes, children, we are back to our fun time. Now I will show you different fruits and vegetables or any foods and I will ask you to which food group it belongs and you will tell me. Okay, children? Now the first one. What is this? What is this, Arnav? Yes, good. This is a vegetable. To which food group it belongs to? Protective foods. Very good. Next. What is this, Nidhi? Yes. To which food group it belongs to? Very good. It is energy giving food. Yes, very good. Now, what is this, Ishan? What is this? Yes, this is an egg. To which food group it belongs? It belongs to bodybuilding foods. Yes, children. Now, what is this? What is this? This is a carrot. This is a carrot, right? To which food group it belongs to? Kashvi, can you tell me? Very good. It belongs to protective food group. Do you know, children, carrot is a rich source of vitamin A. It is very good for our eyes. Okay? You will all have it regularly. And one more thing. Yes, this is a bowl of vegetables. Yes, children, what are they? They are leafy vegetables. Many of us don't like to eat leafy vegetables, right? No, children, don't do that. They are all very good for your health. Okay, today onward, leafy vegetables. When your mother gives you, you will have it. Okay, children? Now see this. What are these? Can you see the nuts here? Almonds and cashews. Can you see them? Do you know what type of food group they belong to? Yes, they belong to protective foods. Okay, like fruits and vegetables, nuts are also very important for our health. They will protect us from diseases. Please, children, make a habit of having nuts. Tomorrow onwards, I'll ask you who had nuts today. Okay, will you do that? Very good. So, children, what is your homework today? What you will do when your mother gives you a plate full of food today, you sit with her and discuss what is the protective food there, what is the energy giving food, and what is the bodybuilding food. And you list down what you had today, bring it to next class, and we will all share with our friends. Okay, children? Okay, have a nice time. Bye.